Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now. Make sure the keyboard is powered and in pairing mode so it broadcasts. On your computer, open Bluetooth settings and turn Bluetooth on so it becomes discoverable. This allows the computer to see the keyboard. You'll want to move closer, within a few meters, and pause any other Bluetooth transfers because interference can prevent discovery. Once done, keep the keyboard awake and visible while we search for it on the computer. That's the essential first action. Once the keyboard appears in the list, select it to begin pairing. This initiates a secure connection handshake. If your computer shows a PIN or code, type it on the keyboard and press Enter, or confirm the code on both devices. This verifies identity and prevents accidental pairing. Make sure any driver prompts are allowed so the OS can load the correct profile. After a short moment, you should see connected or paired status. If the connection drops, after pairing, open a text editor and type to confirm the layout, function keys, and responsiveness. This ensures correct drivers are active. If the keyboard disconnects or won't reconnect, remove it from Bluetooth devices and run the pairing sequence again, making sure pairing mode is fresh. If problems persist, reset the keyboard to factory Bluetooth settings or update its firmware, and inspect the computer's Bluetooth adapter. Restart it or update its driver. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Bluetooth off and on again on the computer to clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.